Hey, this is Merritt from twoway-radiocenter.com, and today we're going to be talking about Kenwood's NX-P500 radio. Now this is an important radio for Kenwood on numerous levels. First and foremost, this is a radio that will work seamlessly with your existing radio fleet. Whether you have some that are digital, some that are analog, all digital, all analog, this radio can do the job. This radio is very rugged. It's not only waterproof and submersible, but it also is dustproof and has all-day battery life. Super helpful for guys like you and me when we're out on the job. Some other features on this radio are that this is a 2-watt radio with 6 channels. We're going to get into some programming here in a little bit. Here at twoway-radiocenter.com, we want to make sure that we are helping you not only know what the product is about, but also helping you to know how to work it very simply, so that you can take it right to work with you once it's delivered. A couple of other things that I'd just like to point out. One of the reasons why this is an important radio is because the FCC has kind of mandated at this point that if we're going to be buying 2-watt radios, these radios need to be digital going forward. And so this will help you to work with not only your existing radio fleet, but it gets you ready for the future. Another reason why this is an important radio is because this radio comes in at a very reasonable price. It comes in at $209 here at twoway-radiocenter.com. There also is a rebate right now for a limited time here at twoway-radiocenter.com, and we can talk to you about that when you call in and ask questions about ordering this radio. The NX-P500 by Kenwood is perfect for the following applications: medical and dental offices, church campuses. It's really good for retail stores, restaurants, nightclubs, things like that. So this is an important radio in the lineup from Kenwood, and we'd love to answer your questions. Please check us out at twoway-radiocenter.com.